Perplexity AI is changing how we search for information. It's not Google, it's smarter, faster, better. You can do research in seconds that used to take hours, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. By the end of this video, you'll know more than most people who've been using it for months. Let's go. All right, let's talk about Perplexity AI. This tool is blowing up right now in 2025, and for good reason. It's an AI-powered answer engine that gives you fast, accurate information with sources. Think of it like Google met ChatGPT and had a baby. But here's the thing, most people don't know how to use it properly. They ask basic questions and get basic answers, and they wonder why everyone's hyping it up. So today I'm going to show you everything you need to know. The features that matter, the tricks that save time, the use cases that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll be in the top 20% of Perplexity users. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's start simple. What is Perplexity? It's a search tool powered by AI models like GPT-5 and Claude. You ask a question, it searches the web, it gives you an answer with citations, no more clicking through 10 blue links, no more scrolling through ads, just the answer you need right now, and it understands context. So you can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers what you talked about. That's huge. Now here's where it gets interesting. Perplexity just rolled out some massive updates in 2025. The Comment Assistant got upgraded. It's faster now. It keeps your context better. And it has a sidebar so you can keep researching without losing your flow. There's also a new Snapshot Widget. This thing gives you privacy control over your queries. Super useful if you're researching sensitive stuff. Real-time data streams are here too. You can check live flight information, sports updates, stock prices, all inside Perplexity. And if you're a pro user, you get access to GPT-5. That's the most advanced AI model right now. It gives you deeper reasoning and more nuanced answers. The mobile app also got a redesign. If you're on iOS, you'll notice the gesture navigation. It's smooth, it's fast, it feels premium. Now let me show you how to actually use this thing. But real quick, before I continue, if you're serious about using AI to save time and automate your business, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I share the latest AI tools, strategies, and updates every single week. Tools like Perplexity can save you hours of research time, but only if you know how to use them right. Inside AI Profit Boardroom, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, exclusive insights, and access to a community of people who are all using AI to grow their businesses. No fluff, no hype, just real actionable stuff that works. Click the link in the description to join. All right, back to Perplexity. When you open Perplexity, you'll see a search bar. Just type your question. Don't overthink it. Ask it like you're talking to a human. What's the best way to optimize a blog post for SEO in 2025? Boom. It gives you an answer with sources. You can click those sources to verify everything. That's the power move right there. Always check the sources because even AI makes mistakes sometimes. Now, if you want more control, use the model selector. This is a pro feature. You can choose between different AI models depending on what you need. GPT-5 for deep reasoning, Claude for creative stuff, others for speed. You pick what works for your task. And here's a cool feature, contextual memory. You can ask follow-up questions and Perplexity remembers the conversation. So if you asked about SEO, you can follow up with, how do I find keywords for this? It knows you're still talking about SEO. No need to repeat yourself. This is perfect for deep research, which brings me to Labs mode. This is where Perplexity really shines. Labs mode does automated research for you. You give it a topic, it searches multiple sources, it synthesizes the information, and it delivers a summary in minutes. I've used this for competitive analysis, market research, content planning. It's insane how much time it saves. Now let's talk about subscriptions. There's a free version. It's solid for basic searches, but if you're serious, you want Pro or Max. Pro gives you unlimited searches, access to GPT-5, and the model selector. Max gives you even more features and priority access. For most people, Pro is enough. All right, here's where things get practical. Let me show you some real use cases. Let's talk use cases. First up, education and learning. Teachers are using Perplexity to plan lessons. Students are using it to research papers. Self-learners are using it to stay updated on any topic. You can ask it to explain complex concepts in simple terms. You can ask for examples, case studies, step-by-step guides. It's like having a tutor in your pocket. Next, digital marketing and SEO. This is where I use it the most. You can do keyword research with Perplexity. Ask it, What are the top trending keywords in fitness right now? It'll give you a list with data. You can also use it for content optimization. How do I structure a blog post about weight loss for SEO? It gives you an outline, tips, examples, all with sources you can verify. You can even analyze competitors. What SEO strategies is competitor using? Perplexity will pull data and give you insights. Next, professional use cases. Financial analysts are using it to track stock trends and analyze market data. Legal researchers are using it to find case law and precedents. Product managers are using it to gather customer feedback and competitive intelligence. It's basically a research assistant that works 24/7. Now let's talk creative applications. Content creators are using Perplexity for idea brainstorming. You can ask it, give me 10 video ideas about AI tools for small businesses. It'll spit out ideas with context. You can also use it to summarize long articles or reports. Paste a link, ask for a summary, done. It's a massive time saver, and here's a fun one, real-time tracking. You can ask Perplexity about live flights. Is my flight from New York to LA on time? It pulls real-time data and tells you. Same with sports scores, stock prices, breaking news. It's like having a personal news assistant. Another killer use case, competitive research. You can ask it to compare products, services, or companies. What's the difference between Notion and ClickUp? It gives you a detailed breakdown with pros and cons, perfect for making informed decisions. Now let me give you some tips and tricks. These are the things most people miss. Tip 1, always use the model selector if you're a pro user. Different models are good at different things. GPT-5 is best for complex reasoning. Claude is great for creative writing. Pick the right tool for the job. Tip 2, keep your conversation threads going. Perplexity remembers context. So don't start a new chat for every question. Keep the thread alive and ask follow-ups. You'll get better, more relevant answers. Tip 3, verify everything with citations. Perplexity gives you sources for a reason. Click them, check them, make sure the info is solid, especially if you're making business decisions. Tip 4, use the Snapshot Widget for privacy. If you're researching something sensitive, turn it on. It keeps your queries private and secure. Tip 5, explore Labs mode for deep research. Don't just use the basic search. Labs mode can do automated multi-source research that would take you hours manually. It's a game changer for anyone doing serious work. All right, let's wrap this up. Perplexity AI is one of the most powerful tools you can use in 2025. It's fast, it's accurate, it's backed by the best AI models on the planet. Whether you're doing research, learning something new, or running a business, Perplexity can save you hours. The free version is great for basic stuff, but if you're serious, get pro. The model selector, unlimited searches, and GPT-5 access are worth it. Start simple. Ask a question, check the sources, ask follow-ups, then explore the advanced features like Labs mode and real-time data. Before you know it, you'll be using Perplexity for everything, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI game, join AI Profit Boardroom. Every week, I break down the latest tools, strategies, and updates so you can use AI to save time and grow your business. Tools like Perplexity are just the beginning. There's so much more happening in the AI world right now, and I'm here to help you navigate it. Click the link in the description and join the community. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know how you're using Perplexity. Julian reads every single one. See you in the next video.